Hello friends, welcome to this our new story and welcome to the first part of and it's a play with the dragon.
And this story is about a dragon and his friendship, right?
And let's find out who they are.
And what's the name of the story? Dylan, the dragon, and the playground ride.
Illustrated by
Ah,
Matcha.
Mama will read. By Zanny Matthew and illustrated by myillustration.com.
And
And
illustrated by
where we got
Vincent.
this story? On the monkey pen, right?
Thank you, dear monkey, for all your stories in the world.
Thank you, Monkey Pen, for providing us lots of story
And
for our kids.
monkey pen,
Hmm.
thank God to monkey pen. Thank you for
All
thank
the
you for
stories.
them. Uh,
Okay, now let's see what is there in this story. Falcon, look here.
Go fly.
Okay, just this one Mama will read, okay? Then later on you will repeat, okay? In this classic tale, Dylan learned to make friends despite obstacles. And when the happily ever after arrives, both the dragon and the readers have learned a things or two about relationship. So let's see what's going to happen in this story. Okay,
Thank
and
you, my dear pa.
this is from
Thank
the
you,
monkey pen.
monkey. Thank you for monkey pen for
Hmm.
downloading our story.
No, we have to say thank you to the monkey pen. From there, we got this stories.
Hello,
Okay,
monkey pen. Thank you for
okay.
downloading
Now
all
see
our story.
here from the monkey pen side, they are saying, "Dear supporter, thank you for downloading our children's book, Monkey Pen. Vision is to provide thousands of free children's book to young readers around the globe. Please share our book with your friends and family to support
And
our
your
mission. Thank
parents.
you." So you all can go to this website and you can get lots of book, and there if you want to donate something you can donate. Okay, so can we start our story, Kalkin?
Of course, happy life.
Okay, chalo, repeat after mom. Okay, darling. Dylan the young
Dylan the young
blue dragon
blue dragon
lived deep in the
lived in the water.
no rock stone mountains
Rocks
of
with
Scotland.
that
Scotland.
was
Hmm. Okay, every day
every
the playful
the
young dragon
young
woke up early
dragon
in the morning
in the
and flew all around
all
the mountains and valleys looking for something to do. See, this dragon is looking such a cute. Yeah, he is looking what to do. He's looking here and there. Which color dragon it is?
blue. My
Okay.
favorite color.
Oh,
Dark
now see,
blue.
when he was
Was
hungry,
hungry.
he would go home
He would go
to his cave
to his cave. I
where
love this story.
hmm,
See,
good, where
where
mummy dragon
mommy
would have
would
hot soup
have
ready for his dinner. See, mummy dragon is making soup and baby dragon came after playing. Now let's see what is here.
what did
See,
baby dragon do?
wash your wings
Was you
and get ready for tea. Huh. I have made your favorite today, darling, pea and toad soup. sad mummy dragon. Dylan sighed. Mm, yeah, okay. Oh,
Mama,
see,
today,
thank you, ma'am,
thank you, Mama.
he said
He said,
sadly. Now, let's see what they both are talking and why the baby dragon is looking little sad.
because he has no friends.
I guess let's see. Whatever is the matter, son,
Whatever is the person,
every day
every
you come back home happily for your tea, but today you look so sad, inquired Mummy Dragon. Let's see what happened to baby dragon. He's looking outside. Something happened, I guess. Yeah?
That's because he has no friends.
Okay. Now let's see here. I am lonely, Mom. I can't find anyone
I can find anyone
to play with.
to play with.
In all the lakes,
So the little
mountains,
mountains
and valleys,
and valleys
in the rock stone,
in the rocks,
there isn't a single
there isn't a single
dragon for me
dragon for me
to play with.
to play with.
He crumbled.
He groaned.
Now he's telling to his mom he needs friend for play. Now
How
let's
did
see what
he
Mama is
got
going to
her?
say. See now Mama is. Let's see what Mama will say. Well,
Well,
how about this for an idea?
how about this for India?
Why don't you fly down
Why don't you fly
to see
to see
village
village,
playground
play, playground,
and see
and see
if the children
the children
there
there
want to
want to
play with you?
play with you.
So Mama Dragon is telling him go down and try to play with the small children, those who are in the village. Let's see what will happen. Dylan woke up
Dylan woke up.
bright and
Where is father?
will read, maybe he will come in between. Bright and
Bright
early the
and
next day. He
how
was
can baby
very
dragon?
excited.
How can baby dragon go alone?
No, he was big enough. See, he was
He was
very excited
like,
that
I must be
good that
that
he would soon have
he would
friends to play with every day. See, he's feeling very happy. He's thinking when he'll go down, he will get lots of friends for play, right?
yeah.
Now,
He's big enough.
yeah, now he put
He put
on his
on his
baseball cap
this part
and school tie
school
and flew
and
past the
past
valley
the valley
and
and
mountains
mountains
until he
until
reached the
he reached
little village
the little village
of
of
Falkirk.
Falkirk.
Okay, so in this video, only till 10 page, from 11 page, we'll read in the next part. Okay, and we'll
Yes.
see he can make friends or not. Okay, so say tell your friends to see you in the next video.